Ladies and gentlemen, this bout is presented to you by Elorde Boxing International Promotions. This bout is scheduled for 8 rounds in the super flyweight division. The judges for this bout, Father Martin Dalida, Mr. Hill Cole, and Engineer Greg Ortega. And your referee in charge of the action, referee Bertie Australia. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner. He's wearing red with yellow trim. Official weight 115 pounds. And he's the fighting pride of the Baenco stable in Laguna. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Albert Guardalio. And his opponent fighting out of the red corner, sorry. He's wearing a pink, official weight 116 pounds. From the Strike-A-Con stable, presenting to you Mr. John Ray Logatima.
Hey, hey, John. Matamakan nyo mga guli dito. Katawan. Jab. Ay, dagan dyan, Lee. Pugi. Oh.
Patay na. Patay na.
Sino matay no? Sa mga eh. Matumba na. Hindi mapag mamatay na. Sira ka lang. Counter ka, buddy. Oh, apel.
Ay. Patay manong yung protector. Galaw.
Oh.
Wala na sa balance. Alis.
Ano ka ba to? Ayaw lumbag. Ulit. Ina. Ay,
May tama.
Purma. Yan, lalong ba ilalim? Jab, baka mo jab.
Tusok. Angat kamay. Angat mo kamay mo.
Sira.
Alis!
Counter!
Ano ba yan?
Layo. Layo. Layo kayo, uy. Lapit. Bang! Counter ka mo, palagulo, counter!
Yan, si Matama!
Ang daga makatama. Bali, ilagulo. Bali, Go, ulit. Ulit, ulit.